Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Connect Classes. In this video, we will discuss about three articles of Indian Constitution. Okay, that is Article 79, 123 and 220. Okay, now first we will discuss about Article 79. Article 79 says Central Government Act Article 79 in the Constitution of India 1949 Constitution of Parliament. There shall be a Parliament for the Union which shall consist of the President and two houses to be known respectively as the Council of States and the House of the People. See what Article 79 says, that Parliament, when we are saying Parliament or we say Parliament, it doesn't consist of only two houses, that is upper house and lower house, or in India Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay, it doesn't contain only two houses. It consists our president also. See, whenever we are saying Parliament, it means three bodies. First one is our president, second one is Lok Sabha, third one is Rajya Sabha. Okay, these three collectively known as Parliament, and President is the leader of this body. Okay, now we'll discuss about Article 123. Power of President to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament. Okay, if at any time, except when both houses of Parliament are in session, the President is satisfied that circumstances exist which render it necessary for him to take immediate action, he may promulgate such ordinance after circumstances appear to him to require. Okay. So what Article 123 first point says, okay, that if in any case when sessions, either Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha sessions are not going on, and some emergency comes, okay, or because of some crisis, then at that point of time our president can create a law, okay, which which will be in action, okay, and it will be uh, signed by two houses when the sessions will be there, like when this Farmers Bill 2020 came, it was in the time of June 2020, and at that point of time, no house sessions of houses were going on, and that bill has came. So, though at that point of time, Corona crisis was there, but it was not an emergency to amend that Farmers Bill. So, under this article, Article 123, the Farm Bill 2020 was implemented, and now it's going to be repealed in our winter session of Parliament. Now, an ordinance promulgated under this article shall have some force and effect as an act of Parliament, but every such ordinance shall be laid before both House of Parliament and shall cease to operate at the expiration of 6 weeks from the reassemble of Parliament, or if before the expiration of that period resolutions disapproving it are passed by both houses upon the passing of second of those resolutions, and may be withdrawn at any time by the President. Explanation where the houses of Parliament are summoned to reassemble on different dates. The period of 6 weeks shall be reckoned from the letter of those dates for the purpose of this clause. Okay, so what this article further says, that whenever the president will introduce that kind of law when both houses are not in session, then that law will be existed for next 6 weeks. 6 weeks means almost 1.5 months. That law will be exist, and after that, or within that time period, that law has to be passed by both the houses, or it has to be 6 months, or reckoned from the letter passed by both houses or second of those resolutions. Okay, within 6 weeks of implementation of that law, that has to be passed by both houses. If and so far as an ordinance under this article makes any provision which Parliament or not under this Constitution may be competent to enact, it shall be void. Chapter 4 the Indian Judiciary. Okay, see, we will read it again. If and so far an ordinance under this article makes any provision which Parliament or not under this Constitution be competent to enact, it shall be void. Chapter 4 the Indian Judiciary. Okay, if that after that 1.5 months time gap, the Parliament won't be able or competent to pass this law due to some reason or because of any reason it is not to be passed as per our Constitution, then that law will be void as per this chapter 4. Okay, chapter 4 the Union Judiciary. Okay, now we'll discuss about article 220, sorry, 280. The President shall within 2 years from the commencement of the Constitution and thereafter at the expiration of every fifth year or at such earlier time the President considers necessary by order constitute a Finance Commission which shall consist of a chairman and 4 other members to be appointed by the President. See, Article 280 gives a authority to our President that he has to appoint a finance commission after within 2 years. Okay, sorry, within 2 years from the commencement of the Constitution. Okay, when it was written the Constitution and thereafter at the expiration of every fifth year. Okay, so President will appoint a finance commission after every 5 years, and though when our Constitution was implemented in 1950. Okay, so after 2 years, that means in 1952, the first Financial Commission was appointed. Okay, then further, it shall be duty of the Commission to make recommendations to the President. Please note it that it is the duty of them to recommend it. They cannot I mean they can recommend it. Like when you are selecting in UPSC, once you are get selected in UPSC, in that it is not passed. You haven't passed that examination. It is recommended there. That means UPSC is only recommending someone to be an IS officer or IPS officer. They are not. They don't have any fully authority to provide that position to that particular person. They only recommended, and based on the recommendation only the persons are getting the jobs. Okay, the distribution between the union and the states of the net proceeds of taxes which are to be or may be divided between them under this chapter, and the allocation between the states of respective shares of such portions. Okay, see, because of this finance commission, this GST bill was introduced. That is central GST we are giving, state GST we are giving, and both are 99%. Okay. Then UT GST is there for Union Territories purpose, and sometimes when some product was manufacturing in particular state and going to another state. Okay, so that GST is also there. I have forgotten that name, but that GST is belong to central, and central is giving that GST to the receiver state. Okay, so how much taxes will be distributed between states and central government, and between states and states. That means which state should get how much percentage of the tax. Say, I will give you an example. That recently, I think before 4 or 5 months before, Tamil Nadu government has claimed that though they are giving the taxes a lot, but when this finance commission is sharing of taxes are executed or implementation is there, they are not getting that much of profit. Their contribution is more, but their contribution to the central is more, though they are rich state comparing to other state. But due to their less population, they are getting a small amount of sales. Okay, and Bihar, though its contribution is low, but due to its large amount of people, they are getting more contributions. So, what central government is doing, they are giving on the basis of population, how much population a particular state contains, and based on that, they are giving subsidies. They are giving other facilities and all. Okay. Then the second point is the principles which should govern the grants in aid of the revenues of the states out of the consolidated fund of India. Okay, the consolidated fund, how much the consolidated fund should be there? See, consolidated fund is something that is already fixed. Like Chief Justice of India's salary is going from consolidated form, then salary of president. These all are going from consolidated form fund. That means that is already fixed. We cannot, you know, make it lessen or make it larger. Okay, so that is fixed and that is consolidated, and that has to be included in our budget. Any other matter referred to the commission by the president in the interest of sound finance. Okay, the commission shall determine their procedure and shall have such powers in the performance of their functions as Parliament may by law confer them. Okay, so once the Finance Commission has given some recommendations, then based on that recommendations, the budget of a particular year in our Parliament will be created, uh, and that will be executed. Okay, that's my time, friends. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.